I'll try not to. He's blocking me off. I'm coming right through. Oh, jeez.
Depending on how fast the bitch is on the back, sometimes the standing's a little rough.
Right. Alrighty, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, it's gonna be a short video. We're doing something very short, very quick. We got the Grom out, just currently leaving work, and it's actually my sister's birthday, so we're gonna turn this bad boy on. Pop that girl out of gear. Come on now. There we go, neutral. And just leaving work, we're gonna go get her a little gift, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and back this boy up. Oh, that seat is hot, man. It is too hot. I'll try not to. Are you out? Peace. Have a good weekend. That was my coworker. Yeah, anyways. What was I saying? Microphone plugged in, is it? I hope so. That was my coworker. It's kind of funny. I didn't make a video, but last time I was leaving here and I was filming, I was passing by the, what do you call it, the Panda Express right there, and I saw her sitting there, but I didn't know it was her, and I was like, wow, that girl's cute, and I was like, oh wait, that's my coworker. It's a little cringe. But my microphone wasn't plugged in, so unfortunately I couldn't hear that afterwards. But it's okay. We're gonna cut through here, you guys, and just go, I don't know. Go inside Walmart, I guess, and find a gift. I think I'm just gonna go inside and get her a gift card. Cause I don't know what else to do, you know what I'm saying? Kinda take a look though. Anyways, we're gonna go inside this Walmart right here. Man, I for some reason get so nervous talking to the camera when there's a bunch of people around me. They probably can't hear me anyways. So I don't know why I get nervous, but I think I'm just gonna leave the helmet on like this, man. Who cares? It might be a little hot inside, but be a video for you guys at the end of the day. Who cares what happens? You guys are gonna enjoy my commentary as I'm here at Walmart wearing a helmet. People can definitely see me and they're definitely gonna be like, what the freak, dude? But hey, it is what it is. I have a Bluetooth device I'm gonna connect to call my sister on, see what she says. Okay, it should be calling. Because there's a microphone. I have two microphones in here. One for my camera, one for my phone. So you guys are going to hear this little dialogue. Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. I've never done this in my life. Hello? Ah, she didn't answer. Oh my gosh. What are we doing, man? What are we doing? She says she's at work. Alright, well. Frack, dude. Let's just get her a gift card, man. I don't know, let's go find some chocolate. Get her some chocolate and then get her a gift card. Because I don't want to be here for too long if I don't have to be. Should it be chocolate? I don't know, I feel like that'd melt in as I'm riding home. So, this is so funny, dude. Oh no. I'll go this way. Sorry. Excuse me. This is so funny, dude. I am cringing out of my shoes right now. Dude, we're following this lady right here. She has no idea that a man with a helmet is following her. Unless she can hear me. I hope she can't hear me. I don't know. If she can, that's awkward. Alright, we're good to go. Where's the candy section? Candy's right here, dude. I guess I'll just leave this right here for now. What would she eat, dude? I don't know what kind of candy she likes. Ah, this is tough. Can't really do chocolate, because if it melts, we're in trouble. Those Lindors are not cheap, dude. I'll just get her some of these. Small.
Flashback.
Can't really do chocolate, because if it melts, we're in trouble. Small, that's not a bad size. I like Lindor's pretty good. Alright guys, gift card time. When in doubt, go with a gift card. Oy, oy, oy. Oh my gosh, what is this guy doing? Blocking the road, man. He's blocking me off. I'm coming right through. Oh, jeez.
I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Cheese and crackers, man. The freak. Alright guys, here are the gift cards. A gift card for you. I think this is the one to go with, no? I could do $20. Yeah, I think that works. Let's go to an open. Oh, an open lane because they have to load it. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. And yourself?
Really good, thank you.
Good. How much on the card, sweetie?
Just 20, please.
20?
Yeah. Thank you. Dang, $29 for some chocolate and a $20 gift card? The freak is this nation that we live in, bro? Holy crap. Let's freaking get out of here. Look both ways. We are good to go. Let's get out of here, bro. It's hot. And I don't want to see people anymore. I have my helmet on. Alright, boys, here we go. We're back on the ground. Almost. We'll be out of here. There we go. Get some wind in the face, man. I am sweaty. Alright guys, we are back on the road, and man, like I said, it is hot, dude. But this video is gonna be pretty much, like I said, it's gonna be short. I just went to the store, and we're pretty much done, man. So I'm just doing a little bit of riding. Probably not gonna talk a whole lot, and hopefully you guys just enjoy the POV. My battery's gonna die here soon, so might as well just ride it out, man. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. We're just gonna kind of ride through traffic, and leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed this POV. But yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Dude, thanks, man. Is that a Harley?
What's up?
What kind of bike is that?
It's a Honda.
That's a Honda?
It's a wannabe Honda. It's a wannabe Harley.
No way.
The bearing and stuff.
That thing is sick, dude.
Definitely just a cheaper version.
Hey, man, I would have never been able to tell. I thought it was a Harley. I was like,
Gotten on a lot, actually.
Yeah?
Like, I'm glad I fooled you.
yeah, I know. The style's amazing, man.
$1,000 left. So.
Yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, I would never spend that much on a bike.
Oh no, I feel like it's the name brand, you know, that's why they cost so much.
I know.
So.
Not even like American made, so it's like.
Right?
But why bother?
What's the power on it?
It's a 750.
750?
Yeah.
Jeez, man.
It's like, depending on how fat the bitch is on the back, sometimes it's a little rough.
Right.
Yeah.
Fair. That's fair, man. That's fair.
Probably a limit.
That's still, yeah, 600 more than this guy though. So.